temporary casualties. The coronavirus pandemic forced Turning Stone Casino to close its doors for the first time in its 27-year history. Now, the Oneida Indian Nation is undertaking the costly and complex process of reopening while still amidst a global pandemic. News Channel 2's Jolene Ferris is live at the casino tonight to tell us more. Jolene, good evening.
Thank you, Kristen. I'm going to step away for a second to show you. It really is a surreal scene to see the parking lot here at Turning Stone completely empty. Anyone who goes here or even drives by knows any day of the week, any time of day, the parking lot is usually filled with cars right to its outer limits. But starting June 10th, things are going to be noticeably different at the place that's open around the clock and draws thousands daily from around the country. Closing down Turning Stone Resort Casino, Point Place, and Yellow Brick Road casinos wasn't as easy as flipping a switch. The reopening slated for June 10th won't be either. It'll be staggered and fragmented. Everything isn't opening on June 10th. Turning Stone's Exit 33 entertainment complex won't open to start, nor will the buffet restaurant, showroom, or event center. And for now, no guests from outside a 120-mile radius will be allowed.
And then we will be checking IDs and zip codes, really, and making sure that they're within, both to enforce the 120-mile radius, but also as a part of our contact tracing coordination with the local counties.
In order to make such checking feasible, entry into Turning Stone will be restricted.
Limiting the number of entrances that guests will be able to come into. And when guests come in, we will make sure that they have a face covering, right? They have to show that they have a face covering. And if they don't have a face covering, they will be required to purchase one.
They won't be covering gaming machines or tables to ensure social distancing. They say face coverings will take care of any such requirement, but they're moving tables to create distance in restaurants where you can't always cover your face. Officials at the nation say they've always invested significant time and money in employee and guest health and safety. They're just going to ramp it up now.
We were setting up a tent in our employee parking lot. There will be tested for the temperature and health screening before they get on the bus. We've significantly increased the number of buses, so there will be spaces between employees on the bus.
It's not ideal, but necessary. Nation officials are just happy to have their employees come back to work. Sending thousands of them away was a dark day.
We have employees, thousands and thousands of employees, some of which who've been with us for more than 25 years, who've never, gone a week without being on property just because they don't take very long vacations if they don't want to, right? And I think that was a very difficult thing to see, something taken away from people's lives.
And once again, starting June 10th, you will see cars once again in the Turning Stone parking lot and the other gaming facilities of the Oneida Nation. You might have noticed entertainment reopening is phase 4, which is early July, late June for New York. So might wonder, how is the nation reopening mid-June? Of course, they tell us as a sovereign nation, they fall outside the state's reopening process, but they say they still are being very careful coordinating with the county. Back to you.